Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2005 Mazda MX-5 convertible, stock reference number 5430. The shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through the 7th month 2015. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, soft top convertible roof, boot lid appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, right door has 1 small dent, and right front 17-inch alloy mag with average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with red and black interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.